Hey guys, so testing out today the Glam Reflections palettes from BH Cosmetics, and I got all four of these. I got these 2 weeks ago. They were $9.60 a palette, making them 44% off. Now they are 50% off. So you can literally pick these palettes up for $8 a pop. Great deal. I wanted to really put this to the true test today, so I did this look. It's a kind of a cranberry rose goldish kind of smoky eye, and it got a little smokier than I planned to for a daytime look, but really just wanted to put this to the test for in terms of like true blendability and pigmentation and all of that, just to kind of see how they perform. And I thought, what better way to do that than do it on a naked eye? So I did not prime my eyes at all, and normally now I am a big proponent of priming and setting that primer. But today, for just the test, I did not do any of that, and it just performed very well. I am so impressed with the pigmentation and the blendability, and not to mention, I just want to point out, like this palette is my favorite because like I am all about the warm neutrals. And if you can see, like each one of these palettes has incredible, I mean, really nice transition shades. These palettes have great bone colored shades. So like after you have, primed your eyes, you can set your primer with either one of these lighter shades. So it's got great shades for that. It's got really nice transition shades. You've got some deeper shades. You've got some shimmers in here. And so, yeah, I cannot say enough about these Glam Reflections palettes. So go ahead and swipe left so you guys can see these up close. Okay, so here they are. Love these. These are now $8 a piece on the BH Cosmetics website. This is Smoky. This is L'Amour. This one is called Gilded, and this one is called Rosé. And so there they are, and they have a very shiny case, so like you can really see the fingerprints on these. But I love the mirror on these, and very good pigmentation. Okay, wow, seems like everything kind of shows up at once. So swipe left so you guys can see the outside packaging of this. This is Lorac. This is from last year. It's a Beauty and the Beast. Violet Voss, Mad About You. There's some color pops, No Biggie on the left. On the Daily on the right, and then You Had Me at Hello. These are all BH Cosmetics. What an amazing deal they had over there. Each of these palettes is now $8. They're at 50% off. I think I paid $9.60, so I got them when they were 44% off. Same with this one. This is the Novo Neutrals. That was 44% off, and this is the Desert Oasis palette. Oh my gosh, love this stuff. So swipe left so you guys can see the packaging. Okay, so here's the packaging. I love these BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections. I got all four, so they are all $8 now on the BH Cosmetics website. And I got this, the Mad About You. It's out of stock on Sephora. I found it at Nordstrom's Rack. It was like 25% off, I think. So yeah, there we go.